as you know, this is lockdown and us children are getting really bored. We don't know what to do with our time. So, we asked all of the children to do something creative at home. Make a puppet, make a drawing, or do something nice with their hands and their minds. And you did! And you send us your pictures, your videos, and that made me so happy. So, the Puppetarians present Little Puppeteers.
Hello everyone! It's me, Mimi! Don't go out! And bye-bye! I'm telling a story that these two puppets, this is Rocky, this is Julie.
अरे मिली तले एक और ताला.
ये क्या हुआ? Yes, thank you, Dr. Sumayya. Thank you, Police Amna. And bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Bye. Bye. Thank you. Sister.
ओह ये तो मेरी ड्राइंग बना ला है.
मैम, आज मैं ना अपनी दोस्त धुरी को लेके आई हूँ. मेरी तबीयत खराब है, मेरा गला बहुत दर्द हो रहा है. कल मम्मा ने मुझे मना किया था कि आइसक्रीम मत खाओ, मगर मैंने ना धीरे से फ्रिज से निकाल के आइसक्रीम खा ली.
ओह ये साले पपेट्स कितने अच्छे हैं.
Hi, I am water. Please save me.
Did you see? So many little puppeteers from all over India. This makes me so happy. A big thank you to all these wonderful little puppeteers and to their parents who are encouraging them, helping them. I love you all. You know what? In the next video, I am also going to share with you what all the teachers are doing at home. How they are making little puppets. How they are teaching children online. It's amazing. Now all of you all also make puppets at home or do something nice and creative at home and send me all the pictures and videos. We will show them here. Huh? And if you want to learn how to make simple, nice puppets with things that you can easily find in the house, then go to the Puppetarians YouTube channel. And there is a very specific video we are going to put in the description. See that? And make your puppet. We hope that this video will inspire everyone, all the children, teachers, parents, everyone, so that you can be creative at home and spend your time nicely during lockdown. Because creativity is